starts now.
It's not about the money. People need to be aware of this.
A North Texas family files a lawsuit against a nursing home because of the death of a family member. Now, if you have elderly parents or grandparents in a nursing home, this next story is definitely for you.
Tonight, a WB33 investigation reveals major flaws in the state's nursing home system. As consumer crusader Marty Griffin learned, the choices you make for your elderly loved one could be life-changing.
If you have an elderly loved one who needs nursing care, you've got a problem. The studies, the statistics, the stories show Texans don't care enough about the elderly, that quality care is tough to find, but it's out there. If you ask questions, demand answers.
Granny was great. She used to make us fried apple pies. She kept us when we were small, when Mother and Daddy worked, and she would make us homemade French fries for breakfast.
It's how Carol Smith would prefer to remember her granny.
Septic shock.
Instead, the cause, shock of her death, clouds her mind.
That's a shame you can't get her license.
It's a strategy session. Carol Smith talks with her lawyer over medical records and a major lawsuit they filed against a North Texas nursing home.
It really is one of the most egregious cases that we've ever been involved in my law firm.
Our investigation backs that up, shows Bertie Mae Straw died at a nursing home with a questionable history, questionable staff, questionable procedures. The facility is now shut down, bankrupt. The owners are refusing to respond to any questions.
My aunt and uncle were down there every day. I was down there either every day or every other day.
It's the most important thing consumers can do to protect their loved ones in a nursing home. Be there every day, every other day if possible. In fact, it was Bertie Mae's family that pointed out the infection that killed her. The smell test is also important. If it smells bad, that's a problem. Check the nurse-patient ratio. 7 of 10 nursing homes are short-staffed. Pay surprise visits at all hours. Check out the nursing home history on this website at www.dhs.state.tex.us. And always ask questions.
The consumer can or should check with the Texas Department of Human Services, get a survey history, ask specific questions. How is this nursing home doing? Where have complaints been? Are they financially stable? Have there been any indications of bankruptcy filings or anything of the sort?
Recent surveys show most people don't even visit a nursing home before they place a loved one. That's a big mistake. Every expert I know tells me the best nursing homes out there right now generally are the non-profits, you know, run by a church or charitable organization. They aren't in it for the money. Marty Griffin, WB33 News at 9.
And you can link to the website Marty just mentioned by visiting WB33.com and clicking on tonight's Consumer Crusader story.